What's up, everyone? It's Hey John, and I jabber opportunities nonstop. Welcome back to a new year. It's January 1st, 2022. And let me say, folks, EGC is rocking and rolling. Let me go ahead and give you the news and the chart perspectives to back this all up. Omicron hospitalization risk lower than Delta. Vaccines provide good protection, UK study says. 2022 will be the biggest year for the metaverse so far. 2022 is poised to be the biggest year for the metaverse, or software and hardware that allow users to play or work in virtual 3D spaces. Meta, Apple, Microsoft, and Google all are gearing up to release new products. Apple is reportedly expected to announce a high-end headset that mixes virtual reality and augmented reality. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a great start to the new year. Good news though, because studies are saying that it's less harmful, so that means that it'll be more positive for the stocks and cryptocurrency markets. We can also see that CNBC is saying for 2022, metaverse is going to be huge, and I could not agree more. You have cryptos like Decentralized, Sand, Mana, all of these huge metaverse cryptocurrencies, and they are having an impact in the way people are interacting with the world. And guess what, folks? EGC, Evergrow coin, is also announcing that they will be in the metaverse with Creator in Q2 or Q3 of 2022. So EGC, Evergrow coin, is following with the trends, and they are not being left behind. They are working diligently behind the scenes, and we will get more updates in regard to that. But ladies and gentlemen, Evergrow coin is breaking out and is moving into new places. The prices you saw near the end of December, ladies and gentlemen, they will be gone forever in a very short amount of time, because we're seeing nonstop buying, and this is phenomenal. And this is what you want to see if you're an Evergrow coin investor. The news is supporting the narrative. Forbes magazine says in 2022, workers will be paid in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Plan B. In 2021, Bitcoin was up 60%, real estate 35%, stocks 27%, bonds minus 2%, gold minus 4%. Ladies and gentlemen, we are reaching an inflection point where we are seeing fiat currency being replaced by cryptocurrency, and this is the will of the people. You're even seeing Apple, the largest company, the company that likes to control everything, and even they are succumbing to paying their folks in cryptocurrency, because that is what the employees want. And even Apple needs to move along with the times if they want to stay relevant. Now we're seeing that Bitcoin rose 60%. So if you bought Bitcoin on January 1st, 2021, and you end the year December 31st, 2021, guess what? You made 60% in Bitcoin just by buying on a random day, the beginning of the year to the end of the year. This is why I encourage folks to dollar cost average, because the price you get will be that much better overall, because you never know what will happen with the markets, folks. We can use technical analysis to best gauge and to best estimate, but it is far from a guarantee. And we can see gold is minus 4%. So we're seeing that Bitcoin is actually a better storage of value than gold. Get up to $250 in Bitcoin using my BlockFi link down below in the description. Okay, folks, here we are on the 4-hour perspective of Evergrow coin. Things are looking amazing. The current price as of this recording is 8276. And as we know, my resistance is around 8648. So what do I see happening, folks? Let me go ahead and show you guys. So this blue rectangular area that I'm drawing for you guys on my chart is essentially a channel. What this means is that we are about to hit some turbulence. From 7450 to about 82, there was no resistance because there was not much traffic there. When I say traffic, I mean there was not much trading involved in any period of time since the inception of Evergrow coin. But the first area where we see some quote unquote traffic, as in muscle memory, is from 8.2 to about 8.6. So from here, we may hit some temporary resistance, and we may do some consolidation around that area from 8.2 to 8.6 before we finally break out of 8.6. So what I'm saying is that we can see something like this unfold before you finally break out. The other scenario is that we're hitting 8.2, and that's currently the beginning of the traffic zone. So we could potentially dip down from here and come back down and do a retest of 7450. This is what could possibly happen. But given the news and given the way things are looking, I'm more inclined to believe we will consolidate in the upper portion before we break out, because we will have an AMA soon. And when we get the AMA, we will get more insight into when Creator is being released. So let me go ahead and show you guys a few more resistance, okay? So I see a resistance at around 10. So I see 2 resistance for us, folks. If we can break 8.6, that means 10 will be on deck. And after 10, it'll be 11,955. Those are going to be your next future resistance and supports. And I'm inclined to believe 8648 will be a support rather than a resistance sooner rather than later. Okay, folks. So now we know how the charts are lining up. We have an idea of where it's going and how it'll probably play out. And we all know Creator will be released on the first week of January 2022, which means it'll be released before January 7th, because Sam and Evergrow coin team did mention that they will be releasing this 7 days from the video that Sam has produced on Twitter to give us all an amazing update. So with all that being said and everything being seen, Evergrow coin is having a fantastic start in 2022, and it is continuing the momentum, and I do not see it stopping. I don't see any reason for it to stop. The only way Evergrow coin can stop is if they stop themselves, and I do not see that happening. Leave the keyword down below, continue, because I want to know who are the real ones. I want you all to have an amazing day, and I will catch you all on the next one.